Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I go through so many paintbrushes. I decided to get myself this little 5-pack. I actually got a few of these, and here you can see this is kind of the information on it, but these were just super inexpensive ones. It's Vermeer, I guess it says on these things is what's on there, but it's from Progra Supplies, so whatever it is. Here's the barcode for it. But let's just check out one of these ones here. I'll take one of these out so you can see what it looks like. Take out the big one. We'll do a little analysis, but you can see here's the brush. It gets to a little bit of a tip there, but not perfect because it's inexpensive. But it's got a good bounce to it. Doesn't have any fraying pieces falling off or anything like that, so you're not going to get stuff in your paint. So I'm going to say this is a pretty nice little paintbrush for what it is. So thumbs up from me. And I'll put the link in the description, and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.